Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Brigii Mini Vacuum. You can get this product on Amazon for about $40. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It's a small and lightweight device and it looks pretty nice. It is very easy to empty and clean it. The mini vacuum comes with a storage bag, a user manual, a charging cable and 3 different attachments. First, I fully charged the mini vacuum. Charging time is about 3 to 4 hours and the running time is about 15 minutes. It works pretty good as a mini vacuum, but I think the suction could be a little bit stronger. You can also use the mini vacuum as a hand pump or an air duster. I didn't test it as a hand pump, but I used the air duster function to clean my PC. It works pretty good and it is very easy to switch to vacuum mode. I tested the mini vacuum for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very nice product. It's small, lightweight, easy to use, and I like that I can also use it as an air duster. So if you are looking for a mini vacuum, air duster and hand pump, which is easy to use and USB rechargeable, I would recommend the Brigii Mini Vacuum. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.